Hi, I'm Eva and I'm currently a student at Met Film School, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my building, the Cube in South Ealing. So being a student at Met Film School is really convenient living at the Cube, as it's only a short 20 minutes walk away, as is the University of West London, Drama Studio London, and also London College for Music. And it's also great for other universities as there's several transport links, including South Ealing Tube Station, which is only a 5-minute walk away, and also many bus stops, including one right through those doors. The building is very safe and secure. We all have our key fobs, which let us in and out of the building very easily. As well as this, it's also very comfy and homely. So for international students, it feels like a home away from home. Let's go see the lobby. As you can see, we have a gaming station with 2 very comfy chairs with multiple games. And we also have a table tennis table. And we have a foosball table and an air hockey table on the way as well. And this massive dartboard is very fun as well. We also have a massive 4K TV where we have movie nights every week, which comes down to a vote every week, and we get popcorn, sweets, crisps, drinks, anything you want. And you can also use the TV any day of the week. So in the lobby, we have many seating areas which are great for studying, but my favourite one is the study hub, which is perfect for when you want to work or even just chill out with friends in the lobby. As you can see, we have our Easter bunnies, as we obviously recently celebrated Easter. We also do many other calendar events and festivals. Like recently we celebrated Eid, we've done Holi, we also celebrated Chinese New Year and Christmas. And also for our birthdays, we get a lovely little cake from our building manager, Abdul, but I'll come back to him later. So as well as celebrating all of our birthdays and various festivals, we also go on really, really lovely excursions. Like recently we went to the cinema in Ealing Broadway, which is only a short 20-minute walk away. And we also recently went to Hounslow Farm for all the farm girlies. So in the building, we have 3 floors, which in total is 78 rooms with 3 accessible rooms. Now let's go use the lift. Oh, this is our laundry room. Boring. If you come in, you can see that we have a lovely vending machine, which is great if you fancy a midnight snack or if the laundry's full up and you need a little break. But yeah, this is the laundry. So let's get the lift. While we wait, I'll show you the outdoor area. So as you can see, we have a little car park with some chairs for a little outdoor area now the sun's out. So this is the refuse area where we do our recycling and throw our things away. Very exciting. So in an ideal world, I would show you my room or a room that's already been staying in, but this is not an ideal world. So let me show you this room, which could be yours. Feel free to imagine how you would make it your own. So this is the bathroom, which has a shower, toilet and a sink and plenty of storage. And then here we have a wardrobe here, and we also have another one there. We have a desk space with plenty of storage, with drawers and a little bedside table. And obviously this is the bed, it's single. We do have rooms that have double beds as well. And over here, we've got a lovely view, nice big window. And then we have the kitchen, which again, plenty of storage with a little fridge there and an induction hob. And this is a microwave oven, so you can also cook things like pizza and roast chicken. And now, as promised, it's time to meet our amazing building manager, Abdul, who also, when you move in, you should keep an eye on the Instagram reels and stories, as he always gives amazing giveaways. Like recently, he cooked us chicken in his air fryer. And now let's hear from the man himself.
Hi guys, I'm Abdul, I'm the building manager here. I look forward to seeing you guys next year. Peace.
Thanks so much for watching. The links to social media are in the description. See you guys next year.